Apple cider vinegar for acid reflux and heartburn, the surprise solution? How to take. Do you experience a burning sensation after eating? You're not alone. Acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, affects over 20% of the global population. In this video, we'll delve into the use of apple cider vinegar for acid reflux and heartburn relief, exploring the science behind its potential benefits. This home remedy, derived from fermented apples, is thought to balance stomach pH levels and alleviate acid reflux symptoms. However, while anecdotal evidence supports its benefits, scientific research on its effectiveness is ongoing. We aim to provide you with insights into whether apple cider vinegar could be the surprising solution you've been seeking. If you stick with us until the end, we will share with you safety tips on how to take apple cider vinegar safely, along with any potential dangers of side effects. So is apple cider vinegar the surprising solution for acid reflux? Let's dive in and find out. You know, you'd be forgiven for being skeptical about using apple cider vinegar as a remedy for acid reflux and heartburn. After all, vinegar is acidic. I mean, it sounds counterintuitive, right? Why would you use something acidic to treat a condition caused by excess acid? How could it possibly help neutralize stomach acid and relieve symptoms? Well, let's unravel this together. First off, we need to fully understand what happens with acid reflux. Understanding acid reflux, or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus due to the relaxation or weakening of the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, a muscle ring at the esophagus's bottom. This backwash of acid causes irritation and inflammation in the esophageal lining, resulting in heartburn, characterized by a burning sensation in the chest. Triggers for these symptoms can include certain foods, excess weight, and stress. Understanding these aspects is crucial for managing and alleviating acid reflux and heartburn discomfort. The role of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, crafted from fermented apples, is thought to alleviate acid reflux by balancing stomach pH levels. The acetic acid in ACV plays a key role in neutralizing stomach acid, offering relief from acid reflux and heartburn symptoms. While vinegar is generally acidic with a pH of 2 to 3, dilution brings it closer to a pH of 4 to 5, similar to other everyday foods. The milder acetic acid in ACV distinguishes it from the hydrochloric acid in stomach acid. The science behind ACV's effectiveness includes 1. Acetic acid buffering. ACV's acetic acid, as evidenced by research in journals like Gut and BMC Gastroenterology, reduces acid reflux symptoms by buffering stomach acidity and normalizing pH levels. 2. Malic acid's digestive aid. Malic acid in ACV aids digestion and enhances nutrient absorption, preventing acid reflux by ensuring effective breakdown of food. 3. Pectin's protective coating. Pectin from apple skins forms a protective coating, soothing and shielding irritated tissues in the throat and esophagus. This protective barrier helps prevent the burning sensation associated with acid reflux. If you're enjoying the content so far, a sub to the channel would be super, thank you. Here are some potential dangers and side effects to keep in mind. Let's dive into the potential dangers or side effects of apple cider vinegar and how to take it safely for acid reflux and heartburn. Potential dangers and side effects. 1. Consuming undiluted shots of apple cider vinegar poses risks to oral and throat health. Tooth erosion. Undiluted ACV's acidity can harm tooth enamel. Throat irritation. Consuming undiluted ACV may cause irritation to the throat. To mitigate these risks, it is crucial to dilute apple cider vinegar with water before consumption. This precaution helps safeguard tooth enamel and prevent throat irritation associated with the high acidity of undiluted ACV. 2. Consuming apple cider vinegar may not be suitable for everyone, and some individuals may experience adverse effects. Worsening of symptoms. Some individuals may experience an exacerbation of symptoms, including increased nausea or stomach pains. Discontinuation of use is advised if such reactions occur. Aggravating heartburn. Apple cider vinegar could potentially worsen heartburn, particularly in individuals with an already irritated esophagus. This may lead to increased burning and irritation. Digestive issues. Ingesting large quantities of undiluted apple cider vinegar may result in digestive issues. It is essential to be cautious about the quantity consumed, especially in concentrated form. 3. Special caution should be exercised by individuals with diabetes, and consultation with a healthcare professional is advisable due to potential interactions with medications. Caution for diabetics. Individuals with diabetes who use medications such as insulins and diuretics should exercise caution and consult a healthcare professional before using apple cider vinegar. Vinegar may interact with medications or potentially lower blood sugar levels. 4. Low potassium levels. Consuming higher amounts of ACV can lead to lower potassium levels in the blood, which can cause constipation, muscle cramps, fatigue, and irregular heartbeat. How often to take? Recommended dosage. Limit the use of apple cider vinegar for reflux to 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, mixed with water, no more than twice daily, and preferably before meals. Opt for raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar for potential benefits. Following these guidelines can help ensure the safe and effective use of apple cider vinegar for managing reflux symptoms. Recommendations for safe consumption. Mix 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of vinegar into 6 to 8 ounces of water. Too strong a solution can damage tooth enamel over time. Use a straw when drinking diluted ACV to minimize contact with teeth. Rinse mouth with plain water afterwards. Start with smaller doses like 1 teaspoon and work way up to 1 tablespoon to allow your body to adjust. Take only with the guidance of your doctor if also taking diuretics or insulin. If you have sensitive skin, be careful about applying it topically. Tips for those who find the taste unbearable. Mix ACV with honey-based tea or cinnamon in water. Add it to seltzer to make it a spritzer. Enjoy it on a salad as a dressing instead of drinking it. If you don't enjoy the taste, squeezing some fresh lemon juice into your cup or adding ACV to herbal tea can make it more enjoyable. Mix into a fruit smoothie or diluted juice. Take in capsule form or gummy form. Ensure capsules use whole food ingredients. So, is ACV the surprise solution? The theory is that for some people, acid reflux may be a result of too little stomach acid. In such cases, introducing more acid into the digestive tract, like with ACV, might be beneficial. The acetic acid found in the vinegar fights against bacteria and other foreign bodies. When it comes to using apple cider vinegar for acid reflux and heartburn, it's essential to approach it with caution. While some people may find relief from it, others may experience adverse effects. Apple cider vinegar can be a safe and effective remedy for many people suffering from occasional acid reflux and heartburn. By drinking a small amount diluted in water before meals, you allow the acetic acid and nutrients in ACV to work their magic regulating stomach pH. Remember to start low and go slow with 1 teaspoon doses at first. Increase gradually while monitoring symptoms. And be sure to dilute to prevent side effects. It's also important to reiterate that this is in no way medical advice. The information provided in this content is for general informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of content presented here. Reliance on any information provided in this content is solely at your own risk. Discuss using vinegar as a supplement with your doctor, especially if taking medications or blood sugar regulating drugs. We'd love to hear your experiences with using apple cider vinegar. Let us know in the comments if you notice relief from reflux or have any other apple cider vinegar health remedies you rely on. Your personal stories could help others in the community who are considering natural relief options. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, but only if you found this video helpful or learned something new. Stay committed to your health, and remember that every positive choice you make brings you closer to a healthier, happier life. If you enjoyed this video, we think you'll love the next video. It introduces the amazing health benefits of ginger tea for a myriad of health issues. Ginger tea seems to work similarly to ACV by absorbing stomach acid and relaxing the esophageal sphincter. Just click play.